Welcome to PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya Karimnagar School Science Lab, where Professor Kronos is secretly building something extraordinary. Students, I've done it. I've built the world's first time travel machine.
Sir, time travel? Like in movies?
But sir, is it safe?
I hope dinosaurs aren't involved. I am allergic.
Kabir, you're already allergic to homework.
Enough chatter. We five shall get into the machine and touch the time pod. Remember, at every stop, only two students may get on. If more step out, the timeline will break, the machine will malfunction, and you will stuck in time forever. Students enter in the time pod. Albert Einstein, famous theoretical physicist, developed the famous theory of relativity, who impacted modern physics.
Sir, that's Albert Einstein. Professor, I really admire Einstein. Please let me get down this time.
Discuss first, only two should step out.
I'll go with him. We'll manage.
Good, and remember, introduce yourself clearly.
Sir, we are from the year 2025.
Sir, we admire you.
E is equal to mc square. Time travelers? Impossible. Unless, maybe, possible. Fascinating. Sir, can you explain relativity? Relativity means?
No time, next stop. Year 1898. Marie Curie, the first woman who won the Nobel Prize, one and only woman who got twice Nobel Prizes in different scientific fields.
Oh, Matt Curie is my inspiration. I would love to meet her. Can I go? I will go as the second, only to account.
Good, proceed carefully.
Ma'am, we are from the year 2025. Oh, 2025? Be careful. Science requires patience and courage. Ma'am, especially courage for girls in science. Indeed, child, remember hard work efforts every day. Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more so that we may fear it. Thank you, ma'am. It's very inspiring.
Year 1500. Leonardo da Vinci, one of the best painters in the world, due to his wide-ranging talent, he is considered the epitome of Renaissance man.
Da Vinci's innovations are legendary. I will like to step forward.
I'll join her too. Sir, we are from 2025. My inventions will work eventually. Sir, your flying machine became the airplane.
Observe the wings of a bird, for in every tiny detail a great secret hides.
Sir, you inspired us to learn even while observing small details. Forever indebted to your invention.
Year 250 BCE. King Ashoka, the empire in the world, transformation from a warrior king to proponent of peace, non-violence and moral governance. King Ashoka, admiring the beauty of the nature.
Oh my God, King Ashoka! I always think King Ashoka. Please let me go.
I'll go second. greatest victory, my young friends.
Teaching women in our textbook.
Then learn them well, my young learners. True strength lies in kindness, wisdom, and self-discipline. Choose peace over war. Respect all beliefs. Care for nature and all living beings. Live with compassion and become better each day.
Children, follow your father, okay?
Year 1850. Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was the warrior queen of Jhansi who became an iconic national hero for her bravery and sacrifice in Indian national movement.
Rani Lakshmibai is my hero. I want to get down here.
I will go with him.
Ma'am, we are from the year 2025.
Oh, 2025. I fought for freedom. You must fight for truth and justice in your time. You hold a weapon even more powerful, knowledge and technology. Use it with courage and responsibility.
We will, ma'am. We draw strength from your wisdom and valor.
Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. He is our father of our nation, popularly also known as Bapuji.
Gandhiji's teaching means a lot to me. I would like to step out.
I'll go with her too.
Gandhiji, you are from the year 2025.
The future depends on what you do today.
Not violence still needed in our world.
My young friends, always follow peace, not anger. If you build strength in your character, you will build strength in the world.
Thank you, Gandhiji. You instill morals and values for us. We will follow the path paved by you.
Year 2003. Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was an Indian-born American astronaut and the first Indian woman in the space.
Kalpana Chawla has inspired my dreams. I want to meet her.
I'll join her.
Dream big, aim high like the stars. My journey inspires millions. Future is in our hands. Remember the universe is vast and so is the potential. The sky is the limit. You might know. Thank you, ma'am. It's very empowering.
Brace yourself, everyone. Now we are entering into the future. Year 2200. The future, where the AI robot and the future scientist appear.
The future is my favorite place. I'm definitely getting down for this one.
I will go ahead for a second.
We are from 2025. Welcome, travelers from 2025.
We, humans and AI, now work together to heal the planet.
Do we have flying bikes?
Yes, and flying homework too.
No!
My dear friends, the future awaits your area. Be bold, be curious, and be kind.
Yeah!
Now, the Time Guardian appears.
You are travel too fortunate. Remember, the past is the present builds, and future depends on you. We understand, sir. Take us home.
Everyone get inside. One final jump.
What an adventure!
Back to school. So, how was your journey?
Amazing, we made the greatest months of all time.
Sir, time travel changes, but we learn the most important lesson. Use time wisely. It is a waste what we have.